The changing seasons come changing COVID shots. Public Health in Dane County is urging you to get a booster shot if you haven't already.
And they're making it easier to do so. McKenna Alexander joins us to explain how this booster is different from the previous shot.
Yeah, PHMDC wants to make sure everyone who can and wants a booster has no trouble finding one, while making sure people understand why this new vaccine is different than the first booster. As we near the start of another COVID-era autumn, the FDA is taking steps to protect against the virus that's changed over the past year.
And as the virus has evolved, the original vaccine is not as protective against the currently circulating strains as it was against the original virus.
Earlier this month, the FDA authorized a COVID booster that's different than the one offered last winter. This new booster is bivalent, meaning it targets the original strain and the Omicron variants, in comparison to the first booster, which did not include protection against Omicron. The CDC estimates the Omicron variant makes up nearly 89% of all new cases, which is why officials stress now is the time to get this new booster ahead of the fall season.
With the combination of the evolution of variants, as well as the seasonal aspects, that as we get into this coming late fall and winter, it is likely that we will see another variant emerge.
We are looking at a possible fall wave with a peak around December 1st. And by giving the booster now, we will hopefully address this future potential wave that looms out there.
An extra layer this winter, that is a layer of protection against the Omicron variant, is already top of mind for Public Health Madison, Dane County. In response to increased booster demand, the department has been busy spreading the word about walk-in clinics, adding weekend availability, and extending clinic hours.
These targeted boosters give us our best chance at fighting that surge of cases that we saw last winter, and that's why we are trying to get as much availability for folks for appointments as they can get.
Here's a list of clinics this week. The first is at Warner Park this Wednesday and Saturday, and then another at Elver Park this Thursday and Friday. You can also get a booster shot at the South Madison PHMDC clinic on Mondays and Saturdays, and there are currently Saturday appointments available right now at that location. And finally, PHMDC's East Washington clinic is also open for boosters on Tuesdays. You can check out channel3000.com for the exact times the clinics are open. Now, as for who's eligible, both the updated Pfizer and Moderna boosters are available to anyone that received an initial vaccination or booster shot at least 2 months ago. However, Pfizer's eligibility is for people 12 and older, while Moderna's is for 18 and older.